Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're simply gonna look at how to change your interests in your Amazon profile. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It's quite easy. Initially, what you need to do is simply hover over to Account and Settings and simply click on it. Well, once you're in this page, well, there are lots of things that you can look around from. Well, as you can see, I'm just scrolling up and down. But right now, what I want to do is simply go to your profiles. From here, simply select the profile of whose interest you want to change. I'm gonna click on it right now. Well, once you're in this specific section, worry not. Simply scroll down, and at the very end, you'll see something like shopping right under enrolled programs. Click on shopping right now. Then from this page, well, as you can see, this right here is your profile. It is specifically for clothing and shoes. Simply scroll down and you can see something like About You, Department Preferences, and right here is Interest. Well, from here, simply select the interest of your choice. I'm gonna select it right now. And do note, if you want to discover other interests, you can click on this Discover Other Interest button as well. But for now, I'm just gonna select from right here. As you can see, I have selected a few interests in random. Once everything's okay, click on Save. The button's right here. And guys, that's it. That's how we add your interest in your Amazon profile. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.